decades ago, because I guess they're still going to try with that horse shit. Boy, these people couldn't find their asses with both hands. It's terrible to behold. And then, you got one of these little tragedy pimps calling out another tragedy, the twerking cases there, tweaking cases, whatever the fuck it is, wow. Being like, you're wrong! You gonna fix this? Look. Anybody around here, especially those who actually lived on or are whatever, right? You know how fucking wrong whacking cases has been from the rip, and how you can't even hold their goddamn hands and lead them to the right information. They're just fucking dumb. Somehow built an audience of whatever, 30,000 idiots. That's about how it fucking sums up. And I mean, I guess if you follow them, you can take that how you will, but I really give zero fucks tonight, and that's just how I feel about it.